Well, some neighbors in Forsyth County are feeling a little more secure this evening now that this man, they say, is a threat to their community, is in jail, but they say it just took too long.
Convicted sex offender Justin Drake is accused of indecent liberties with a child in Forsyth County and is in jail with no bond. Fox 8's Melissa Rademacher joining us now from the newsroom. Melissa, I know you've been in touch with families in Forsyth County who felt so strongly about this case. They even showed up for today's proceedings. What did they tell you?
Katie, Neil, these parents tell me today is a win. Justin Drake being held without bond makes them feel a little safer, but they still have questions about this case overall.
There's relief there. The last time he got out, he ended up hurting somebody else. He needs to be in custody.
Buena Vista parents and neighbors are breathing a sigh of relief, but say it took too long to get here. Records show 44-year-old Justin Drake was convicted in 2019 of a sex crime involving a 6-year-old in Florida. He is still serving probation, where he is not allowed to interact with children or go to parks or schools. And warrants show he allegedly violated that probation in August of 2025 in Winston-Salem. Court documents show Drake was charged with a felony for his presence at Whitaker Park. And 1 month after Drake was accused of this violation, the Department of Corrections in Florida issued a nationwide warrant asking Drake not be given bond and be returned to Florida. But a Forsyth County judge gave him bond.
We did this last summer and got a result that was obviously unacceptable and somebody got hurt.
And what Benjamin Marsh is talking about is this. Drake is facing charges for indecent liberties with a child in Winston-Salem in February, just 6 months after the August 2025 alleged probation violation. The Forsyth County parents I spoke with say that was a costly decision. We reached out to the Florida Department of Corrections, who pushed the blame back to Forsyth County, saying, in part, despite Florida's concerns, particularly given the public safety implications and the individual's status as a sex offender, the North Carolina judge ultimately granted bond and declined to hold him. So did Lee County, Florida prosecutors, who said our warrant demanded that the defendant be held with no bond pending his extradition to Florida. We would be extremely disappointed if the local authorities did not honor our request. And after these new charges from February, updated court filings from Florida are again asking that Drake be held without bond and be returned to the state. During Monday's proceedings, a judge in Forsyth County finally agreed.
I'm here because it's really, really important, both to me, to my children, and to the children that live around us, and just this community at large.
Lee County, Florida told me they have tried to reach the Forsyth County DA's office multiple times to talk about how these cases overlap, but they have not heard back. I've also reached out to the DA about this case with no response, but for now, Justin Drake will be held without bond in Forsyth County Jail with more court dates set for April.